Is your PC slow, full of junk, and running out of space? In this video, you'll free up storage, clean unnecessary files, and make your PC faster without installing any software. Let's start. Step 1. Clear prefetch files. First, press Windows plus X, then open Run, type prefetch, and press Enter. When the folder opens, select all files and delete them. These files are temporary and safe to remove. Step 2. Clear temp files. Again, press Windows plus X, type temp, then press Enter. Select everything inside the folder and delete all files. Step 3. Clear %temp% files. Now open Run again, type %temp%, and press Enter. Delete all files inside this folder. Step 4. Disk Cleanup, Drive C. Next, open the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Open it. Select Drive C. Then click OK. Check all options. Click OK, then select Delete Files. Step 5. Disk Cleanup, System Files. Open Disk Cleanup again. Select Drive C. Then click Clean Up System Files. Check all options again. Click OK. And delete the files. Now, let's remove apps you don't use anymore. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Inside Settings, click on Apps. Next, select Installed Apps. Here, you'll see all the apps installed on your PC. To easily find apps that take the most space, sort the list from largest to smallest. Now check the apps carefully and identify the ones you no longer need. To uninstall an app, click the 3 dots on the right side of the app, then choose Uninstall and Confirm. Repeat this process one by one for all unwanted apps. This step can free a huge amount of storage, especially if you've never cleaned your apps before. Step 6. Remove temporary files from Settings. Now, open Settings from the Start menu. Click System, then Storage, then Temporary Files. Select all items. Only select Downloads. If you don't have important files there, if your Downloads folder is empty or not needed, mark it and remove the files. Step 7. Disk Cleanup, Drive D. Open Disk Cleanup once more. This time, select Drive D. Follow the same steps. Mark all options and delete the files. Step 8. Flush DNS cache. Finally, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Run it as administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS. Then press Enter. This clears network cache and helps improve internet performance. Final result: your PC now has more free space, fewer junk files, and better overall performance. If this video helps you, subscribe to MY channel for more PC and Android tips that actually work. Thanks for watching.